Hello everyone. Do you ever think how your computer can run multiple applications like playing music, playing video games, coding in VS Code at the same time? Yes, how can anyone do this multitasking at the same time as they are very different from each other and also very complex? So, this term of running different applications or functions at the same time is known as CPU scheduling. This is an important concept of operating system, and I am going to explain you today in just few minutes with the help of some very important examples. I am Abhishek, a third year BTech student in computer science, and I am going to explain you today CPU scheduling. It is one of the most important concepts in operating system and also a favorite interview question. So I am going to start it with an example. Imagine classroom with only one pen and you are five students. Everyone wants to write at the same time, but only one person can use the pen at a time. So the teacher decides the order who gets the pen first and who gets its next and for how long. That's exactly what CPU scheduling does. The CPU is here like the pen, and the students are here like the programs which are running on your device. Since the CPU can only handle one program at a time, so it has to decide the order which he can start first and for how long, the time which it has to give to them. So this is done with the help of some scheduling algorithm. You think, why does we need them? Without scheduling, some programs might get stuck waiting forever while other hog the CPU. If I am playing a song and I also have to play the game at the same time, as many students like, so if the CPU hog only one program at a time, then I can't be able to do both at the same time. And scheduling ensures fairness, efficiency, and fast response time. In short, it's make your computer multitask fastly. Earlier, I talked about the scheduling algorithms. So there are many different types of algorithms, and I am going to cover only the important ones. So the first one is FCFS, first come first serve. It is the simplest, as whoever comes the first gets the CPU first. Means it's just like standing in a line at a ticket counter. The drawback, if the process takes a long time, then others have to wait for a very long time. The next one is shortest job first. Means it is the one which gives the process time according to their job time. Means how many time you have to hold the pen in the example, so that how many time you have to hold the CPU for your work. This minimizes the average waiting time and it is very helpful. The third one is round robin. It is like you are sitting on a table with your family and you are having a meal. There are many different dishes in the table, so you don't have to pick them all at the same time, but you have to take them in an order and then give it to the next, and then he takes it and give it to the next. So there is a fixed amount of time which you can take them. Exactly this happens in the CPU. A process takes the CPU for some time and gives it to the next process, then the same thing happen with all of them. This is one of the best types which is done in the scheduling. And the last one is priority scheduling. It is means every process here have some priority. High priority processes are executed first, just like in hospitals where emergency cases has been done first and then some normal cases handled. So here the order is decided on the behalf of their priority. So in simple words, scheduling means which process has done in the CPU and for how much time. We have seen FCFS, SJF, round robin and priority scheduling. Every has its own pros and cons. Next time, whenever you are working on laptop, think about the multitasking and think that in background the operating system continuously doing the scheduling. And I am going to explain you different topics about the computer science like this so that you can understand it. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks.